So congratulations Naveen and your daughter. So let me begin my slot on referrals. We all give referrals, so how to forge those bridges that go beyond connections. Right? So we come here for what? So basically we come here to build meaningful relationships, create opportunities, support our fellow members in growing their business. Right?
Yes, right, sir, right.
How do we do that? In BNI, we believe in giver's gain. By giving, we construct that relationship, build that relationship. So, what is the best way to participate in giver's gain? By giving referrals. Referrals have the maximum points. If you see in our traffic lights, member traffic lights, we have 20 points meant for referrals. But we all, many of us or most of us give referrals. Now, do we ever ponder whether the referrals which we are giving are apt for the member whom we are giving?
Yes, sir, we do.
We do.
Yes, sir.
That's what Malbon says. Okay. So, are they, the kind of right reference, does he have that product or the service? Have we ever thought? Have we actually gone back and looked at it, whether that referral has been fulfilled? I mean, have you got a thank you note out of it? Actually, at the end of the day, we should be looking whether whatever referral we are giving, is it being converted and are we getting thank you notes? What we need to look at is, every time we give a referral, our referral conversion should have the maximum, success rate. It should be at least 70-80% success rate. Otherwise, you're not doing what we need to actually do. So how do we get over, what do we need to introspect? We need to introspect whatever referral we are giving is apt for that member or not. For that, what we need to do is, we need to follow certain small steps. Let's begin. It's a bigger chapter, right?
Yes.
So probably everybody, we may not know everybody's category, we may not understand. Let's begin with, focusing on a few members, 5 members to begin with probably, 10 members to begin with, and then keep adding. So with those 5 or small number of members whom you think you should be referring to, start focusing on them and start understanding their business first through 30 seconds, through their feature presentations, then do a one-to-one with them, deep dive into what their business is all about, so that you have a better understanding of their business. The more you understand, the better you can pitch on their behalf. Then once you have a grasp of what the member does, a specific member does, then it's time to see who among your contact sphere would fulfill their needs. Who has those needs? Find out what specific needs they have. The next thing you need to do is bring them together, pitch on their behalf. Tell the client, whomever you're pitching, about their strengths, about their success stories which you have heard through their 30 seconds of feature presentations. Build a kind of credibility about the person whom you are referring. Build the trust. Here is a person who is trustworthy and he will fulfill your need. That kind of a thing. Once you've done that, bring them together, have a seamless meeting where they can, both of them, understand each other. And when you take the member whom you are pitching on behalf, make him prepare how to pitch to the client for his specific needs, and then take him and make them meet. That way you have done maximum to ensure that the referral will be fulfilled. It will not be a failure. And all this, what does it reap for you? It actually, look, from both of them, a vendor is also looking for a good referral, and a client is also looking for a good, reliable, trustworthy, creditworthy referral partner. both ways you are fulfilling the need. So that will definitely have a ripple effect over the days, and then they will both be looking for giving you an opportunity, searching, scouting for opportunities for you. That way you would also benefit from this. So next time when you give reference, don't just pass on reference, look at these aspects, do a one-to-one, understand the category, and then pass on the referral, so that that referral is ultimately fulfilled. So I end by saying, plant the seeds of trust and harvest a garden of reference. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.